Hi there, in this video, we'll walk you through how to create option sets perfect for customizing orders with toppings, add-ons, or sizes. Let's get started. We'll show you both the back end where you'll set everything up and the front end, so you can see exactly how these changes appear to your customers. From your dashboard, go to Menus, then click Option Sets, and hit Create New Option Set. Start by giving your option set a unique name. You can add a display name if you want it to appear differently on the customer-facing page. Toggle Show in Menu if you want this option set to be visible as a standalone option. You can also include or exclude option prices from free quantity promos. Hide the option set name on printed receipts. Next, click Options, then Add Option. Enter the name, optional print name, and price. If the item is temporarily unavailable, toggle No Stock Hit will be tagged as unavailable in the store. For required option sets, you can set a default option to be pre-selected. Here's an example. Options marked as No Stock shows as unavailable, and the default option is pre-selected on the customer-facing page. To link this set to another, use the drop-down menu and select the option set you want to link. Then choose between regular or variable pricing. Variable pricing adjusts the cost depending on another selection like pizza size. On the front end, you'll see the price changes automatically when selecting different sizes. Now, under Conditions, you can toggle Required if a selection must be made. Enable Select Multiple for multi-choice. Allow quantity selection per option. Set minimum or maximum choices or leave blank for no limit. To attach the option set to items, click Add, Remove from Item, choose the relevant ones, and click Save, Default. Refresh your store to see the changes. You'll notice that the price changes based on the selected size. The set is marked as optional, and you can choose up to 2 options as it's configured with the maximum options allowed. Now let's create a pizza type option set ideal for toppings with different portion sizes. Name the set and set a display name if needed. Adjust visibility, receipt, and promo settings as before. Under Options, click Add Option. Set the points to define portion sizes. Use 1 for a whole pizza and 0.5 for a half. For a whole X1, enter the base price, then click Auto Calculate. It will automatically generate the pricing for double topping, single topping on half, and double topping on half. Link this set to another if needed, and choose regular or variable pricing. For example, 1 topping may cost $2 for small, $3 for medium, and $4 for large pizzas. Mark options as no stock if unavailable. To make one pre-selected, go to Conditions, Enable Required, then tick Default on the option. Add the option set to items using Add, Remove from Item, and click Save. Refresh the store to see it in action. As you can see, portion-based pricing will update based on size selection. To reorder how option sets appear on the front end, click Rearrange in the settings, drag them into place, and click Save. Refresh the store and you'll see the order you set in the back end will be exactly how it shows to customers. And to duplicate or delete an option set, just use the copy or bin icons. And that's it. You've now created both standard and pizza-style option sets. Link them to items and organize how they appear in your store. For more tips, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!